Hey YouTube fam. If you've been struggling to find a free, powerful AI video tool that actually delivers, this is the video you need to watch. Today, I'm showing you how to use LTX Fast Space by Hugging Face, a totally free, unlimited AI that turns your images into stunning videos. And honestly, it's smoother than Runway, sharper than Kling, and 100% prompt powered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Let's get you in first. Just go to Google and type in LTX Fast Space Hugging Face and click on the official link. No annoying waiting lists, no credit limits. Just upload your image, describe your vision, and this AI gets to work. Step 2. Upload your image. Pick a good quality image. You can use your own drawing, a character, or even a realistic AI-generated face. Drop it in, and now comes the magic part, the prompt. Step 3. Be super specific with the prompt. This is where LTX stands out. Unlike Runway ML or Kling, which sometimes force their own style, LTX listens very closely to your exact words. Say you want, a girl in a white dress walks slowly through a forest while sunlight flickers between the trees. Boom, LTX brings that to life in motion. You can describe head movement, eye blinks, slow walks, or even camera angles like close-up, cinematic lighting, camera panning left. The more detailed you are, the better the results, like scary good. Step 4. Generate your video. Click run, and that's it. The video takes a few minutes to process, but you don't have to pay or worry about limits. It's free and unlimited right now. You can create as many videos as you want. No token system, no upgrades, just pure creation. Why LTX is better than Kling or Runway ML? Runway ML is great, but most features are locked behind a paywall. Kling gives sharp quality, but it's slow and not public yet. LTX? It's fast, free, smooth, and lets you build your exact vision with the right prompt. My pro tip, keep your subject centered, your prompt cinematic, and your movements subtle. That gives the most natural results. So yeah, if you're into video creation, storytelling, or even just testing your creativity, LTX Fast Space is something you absolutely need to try right now. It's the future of AI video, and you've got the keys today. That's it for today's video. Go crazy with your prompts, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and sub if you love AI magic like this.